Hello, listeners. Today we will be looking at the benefits of learning how and why you should be learning to trust your intuition. Firstly, what is intuition? Have you ever heard of someone saying, trust in your gut feelings? Do you know what that actually means? It's that inner voice that you hear telling you to do or not to do something, or it can tell you how you feel, or it could be your instinctive emotional response after experiencing a particular situation. It's that emotional inner knowing that you feel, but often sadly, you may not have listened to, only to regret it later. Trusting one's own instincts is an important aspect of decision-making and personal development. Instincts are often referred to as gut feelings, intuition, inner guidance, and inner voice. It's normal and rational to question what you feel because often it could be an impulsive feeling that could lead you to do something that would perhaps not be beneficial once some time is taken to process your thoughts thoroughly. When appropriate time is given to process your thoughts, more than likely you will come to a final decision that sits well within you. However, sometimes that final decision that you make may not leave you feeling good, as you realize that it may result in others having negative feelings or feeling hurt or insulted. But the fact that you made that decision means that in your gut or deep inside you, something has made you understand that you had to speak or action your truth regardless of the results. For people who are self-aware, they will spend time processing and coming to an eventual conclusion that they would be happy and content to live with. And that's when you know that you have placed your trust on your instincts. Let's imagine the scenario of you feeling that something is wrong or that something is not sitting quite right with you, but you just can't pin it down. So the question lies in, what do you do with those feelings? Do you suck it in and let it stew and fester? Or do you allow yourself to process it in a healthy and respectful way? Do you have enough courage to acknowledge and honor these emotions? And do you have enough trust in yourself to validate those feelings and choose your own pathway to make a solid decision? That's the essential aspect of trusting your instincts. In endorsing your emotions and learning to place trust in yourself without having to question your intuitive feelings helps you to make a truly authentic decision. If you can't make a decision, further processing is required, which would lead to further questions that you would need to ask yourself in order to further explore your emotions. That will eventually lead you to speaking your truth. Concerns only become evident if you are a person who has always gone through life waiting for someone else to validate your feelings and decisions. If this is you, then this talk is meant for you. How has this way of not trusting yourself served you thus far? Sometimes we may need to obtain feedback from our most trusted friends or family, as what they say may provide you with more options, which you may not have thought about. Feedback is what I consider other people's perceptions, which may provide you with more options to enable you to further consider other options in order to confirm your feelings, especially if you are prone to impulsiveness. What I have experienced through my personal journey is that my first instincts are often correct. But when I was younger, as I was a fairly impulsive person, I tended to react without processing my feelings, and this, more often than not, got me into trouble. However, as I gained emotional maturity and understood that sometimes when you are unsure of what you are feeling or unsure of what to do, just stop and spend some time processing your thoughts. And perhaps it might be beneficial if you stop to ask trusted people to gain more clarity of reason and rationale. I found that the more and more I trusted my instincts, they became invaluable, as I relied on them to lead me to more effective decisions which worked to my benefit. Let's put it this way. If it didn't feel right, then it often wasn't. Trusting your intuition and instincts is also basically trusting yourself and valuing your opinions and decisions. It's learning about yourself, and sometimes it's also about making mistakes and learning from them and questioning why and what happened. It's a form of survival mechanism. Human instincts have evolved over thousands of years as a survival mechanism. They are designed to help us quickly assess situations and make decisions that can protect us from danger. So, trusting your instincts in a potentially risky situation can be a matter of personal safety. Therefore, quick decision-making based on instincts often works on a subconscious level, allowing you to make rapid decisions based on your accumulated knowledge and experiences. This can be particularly useful in situations where there's little time for in-depth analysis. Instincts can be an invaluable tool in problem solving. They can guide you to consider unconventional solutions or approach challenges from a different perspective, leading to more innovative and effective solutions. More importantly, in the area of personal growth, it promotes personal authenticity. Instincts can provide valuable insights into your true desires, your values, and aspirations. By actually listening to your instincts, you are more likely to make decisions that align with your authentic self, leading to a sense of fulfillment and contentment in your life. By trusting your instincts and being open to new experiences, you can embark on personal growth. One of the benefits of trusting your instincts is that it might push you to step out of your comfort zone and explore new opportunities that lead to self-discovery and personal development. Trusting your instincts can boost your self-confidence as well. When you rely on your inner guidance and it leads to positive outcomes, you gain confidence in your decision-making abilities. In relation to trusting others, when you trust your instincts, you're better equipped to judge the trustworthiness of others. Your gut feelings about people and situations can serve as a valuable tool for discernment and avoiding potentially harmful relationships or situations. Now, in relation to your emotional well-being, ignoring your instincts, on the other hand, can lead to stress, anxiety, and regret. If you consistently ignore what your intuition is telling you, you may find yourself in situations that are incongruent with your values or desires. Ignoring instinct can often result in regrets over time. You might look back and wonder what could have been if you had followed your gut feelings. This can lead to self-doubt, a lack of confidence in your decision-making abilities. If you cannot trust yourself, then who can you trust? It's important to note that while instincts can be powerful, they're not infallible, and they can be influenced by biases, learned experiences, and family conditioning. Therefore, it's essential to strike a balance between trusting your instincts and using critical thinking and analysis when appropriate. Combining instinctual guidance with rational decision-making can lead to well-informed and balanced choices in various aspects of life. Some children have never been taught how to make decisions based on their intuition, which can lead to a tendency to have self-doubt and to rely on other people's perceptions of what is right and wrong instead of listening to their own inner guidance. In personal relationships, not trusting your instincts can lead to staying in unhealthy or toxic relationships. Your gut feelings often signal warning signs that, when ignored, can lead to challenges in maintaining healthy connections. Now, ignoring your instincts may lead to staying within your comfort zone and avoiding new experiences that can contribute to personal growth. These missed growth opportunities can hinder your development and potential. Ignoring your instincts may result in a life that feels inauthentic or out of alignment with your true self. This can lead to a sense of dissatisfaction, emptiness, and a lack of fulfillment. So really, learning to trust your gut instincts, intuition, and internal guidance is essential and has more benefits than deficits. So if you have wondered about this topic and pondered on your gut instincts, perhaps have more faith in yourself and trust that you can make a more authentic decision, primarily based on your unique needs. Every one of us is different. Have a think about this and feel free to share your thoughts. And if you like what you hear, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. The more you analyze yourself in every aspect, the more authentic and self-aware you become, and therefore will be able to make decisions that are appropriate for you as a person. Have faith. I wish you all the best and look forward to touching base with you again on another topic on human development. So God bless and ciao for now.